Recursion function isn't working. Okay, so I'm trying to make a recursive function that returns true if the function is a palindrome, and false otherwise. However, it doesn't go to the very end, and randomly stops. Code. For the life of me, I can't figure out why. Here's a sample output.
You need to return your call to the recursive function. The reason your code appears to stop at the final step of recursion is because you never actually return a value in that case. In some programming languages, such as C or maybe Java, such code would not even compile. Python appears to tolerate it, though it results in your current behavior.
Your function is too long. I prefer to use string column -1.
If you want to save money, please consider subscribing.